Yep, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and listen, nothing measures up to some good fried chicken than some good fried shrimp. I'm gonna show you guys today how to make crispy Creole fried shrimp. Y'all ready? It's really easy. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our shrimp. I already deveined them and cleaned them, so they're good to go. Our flour, we have an egg here, buttermilk, hot sauce, cornmeal, salt, some Dijon mustard. I'm using whole grain Dijon mustard here. And in these two dishes, I have the same thing: Creole seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. So smoked paprika at that. So that's all you need. Let's jump into it. The first thing we're gonna do is prepare our egg mixture, and we're gonna add our hot sauce, our buttermilk, and our Dijon mustard. We're gonna get at a nice mix. All right. We're gonna set this aside, bring over our shrimp. So now we're gonna season our shrimp by taking our onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, Creole seasoning, and paprika. I think I said that right. Onion powder, garlic powder, Creole seasoning, paprika, and black pepper. All right? And we're just gonna go in with our hands, get that baby a mix. All right, just like that. Next, we're gonna take that egg wash, we're gonna add it to our shrimp like that. All we're gonna go in now is with our hands, get that mixed in too. All right, we're gonna let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, set it aside. So now that we have our flour here, we're gonna add our cornmeal, along with our paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, Creole seasoning, and black pepper. And we're gonna get this a mix up like this. Oh, and forgot our salt. All right, guys, that's simple. Now, if you want to test your flour like I do, I always test it just to see if that baby's good to go. And it's seasoned perfectly, all right? So we're gonna set up our workstation real quick, and then we're gonna come back. All right, so now we're gonna start breading our shrimp. So we're gonna take our shrimp, get a good mix right here. We're gonna take our wet hand, drop it in here. Take our other hand, we're gonna smash that breading down on it. This helps it get really, really crispy, like that. I'm gonna sit that baby right here. All right, so now that we breaded all our shrimp, we're gonna head over to our stove, get our oil heated up so we get these babies baptized in this grease. All right, guys, so now we're over at our stove and our oil is at 350 degrees. We're gonna start dropping these babies in here. And guys, do not overcrowd the pan. Cook these babies in batches. The hotter the oil, the crispier they're gonna get. We're gonna cook these babies for 3 to 4 minutes. All right, guys, we're good on our first batch. Let's take a look at what we have right here, man. Look at those babies there, extra crispy. So now I'm gonna place these babies on a cooling rack. And what I like to immediately do also is I like to sprinkle these babies with a little salt, kosher salt. And we're gonna put these in a warmer while we finish the remaining of our shrimp. All right, guys, so we're finishing up our last batch. We're going to go ahead and add these to our warming rack. Real good. We're gonna dash that with a little kosher salt. We're gonna head over to our cutting board now. All right, so this is all our shrimp out of the warmer. Man, take a look at that, guys. Nothing else to add to this, so there you have it. Crispy Creole fried shrimp. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. We already know what they taste like. Fire. Let's go. All right, so it's quality control time. Man, let's bring these shrimp to the front of the congregation. Man, look how crispy they are. Look how crispy. Oh, man. Y'all already know them babies. Crispy. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. Hear that crunch? Oh man. Oh man. Guys, I eat the tail too. Shut up. I eat what I want. Man, these babies are delicious. Of course, you can add whatever dipping sauce you want. It's totally up to you. Some people like horseradish, tartar sauce, ketchup, cocktail sauce. But me, I like the flavor. I really don't put nothing on my fried shrimp. Maybe a dash of hot sauce or Tabasco sauce, but that's about it. So, guys, until the end, y'all already know what this is. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.